Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Whop to earn money. Whop is a platform that allows creators, developers and entrepreneurs to sell digital products, memberships and services online. You can earn money by creating and selling products or offering access to exclusive content. Firstly, visit the Whop's website and sign up with your email, Google or social media account. Verify your account through email if required. Now, complete your profile with your name, profile picture and description, and add links to your social media or websites to attract buyers. So, Whop allows you to monetize in different ways. Digital products like ebooks, templates or software or guides, memberships, and services like sell access to coaching, consulting or other digital services. Whop allows you to set one-time payments or recurrent subscription fees. Just link your PayPal or Stripe account to receive payouts after you create a product. Now share your Whop links on social media, newsletters or websites. Use Whop's built-in tools like promo codes or affiliate auctions to drive sales. Log into your Whop dashboard to monitor sales, subscription and payouts, and you can withdraw your earnings to your linked payment account. Just offer exclusive high-quality content to attract recurrent subscribers and bundle digital products or services for higher value. Also engage with your audience to build trust and long-term customers. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.